This here is an NYSE tilt sensor for a garage door, otherwise there's a garage door sensor. A lot of people are really confused as to how to install these, but here's kind of some golden rules for them, okay? Slide to the right with the slots down. And the reason is because if we have some simple sensors in the back of it, these little pulse sensors here. And these pulse sensors need to be up and down. And the reason behind that is there's a ball bearing in there, and when they tilt, they actually fall into a pocket which makes contact closure, thus declares that the contact is open. And then when they come back down, they fall off that little pocket and mark open in the circuit, but thus tells the garage it's closed. And that's how it's done. And then of course there's this little light here on this little button right here. To identify it, you push it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you wait for the identification to happen. And the most important part is even after it shows the number on the computer, you need to wait for the blinks at the end.